Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video on my channel. So I'm sorry if I have like food between my teeth. Like I really don't care at this point. So right now it's about midnight and I have nothing else better to do. As you guys saw in the thumbnail, my room is literally disgusting. My room has never been this bad. I haven't cleaned it since like basically 2017. So I haven't cleaned it in like a year. So I'm gonna show you guys really quick. Okay guys, so I was just sitting here editing and this clip that you're about to see is literally disgusting and I just wanted to come on here and apologize. And this takes a lot of effort for me to do. Like, I'm lazy as you all know and I do not like editing. Is just so extra. So this is how you know like this next clip is really bad. So I just want to apologize in advance. It's actually disgusting. But hey, I didn't force you guys to watch this video. Yeah. Okay, bye guys. See ya. Okay, so here it is. Like, there's stuff everywhere. Like, what even? This is actually nasty. Like, I'm honestly embarrassed, but like, you guys should like know me. Like, do I look clean? No. So, in today's video, we're going to be cleaning this disgusting mess up. My bed's done. It looks good so far. See, if your bed's made, your room just looks automatically clean, so that's why I like to do it first. My room's already looking like 10 times better. It was basically like all the clothes that was making it really look nasty. Okay guys, so if you guys want to go check out my Poshmark, I should have it updated by the time I upload this video, but as you guys saw, all those clothes I wear, as you can see, like I don't wear a lot of this stuff because it's either too big for me or I bought it and I was like, you know what, like I literally wore this like once or twice and it's really nice. Anything that you want, it should be on my Poshmark, so if you guys want to go follow me, it'll be in the description box and it should be on the screen. It's a little bit over 12 hours later. It's like 14 hours later. But this is my room like 12 hours later. Like I said earlier in the video, I will be posting things on Poshmark, so if you guys want to go follow me and shop my closet, then I will be sure to like ship those out to you ASAP. So yeah, the link to that will be in the description box down below. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you did enjoy it, you should totally give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel down below. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. But you gotta be there for me too.